Candidates are hoping their message on abortion rights will appeal to another key voter bloc, suburban women.
WGN political reporter Taman Bradley here with that part of the story. Taman?
Dina and Ray, since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in 2022, Vice President Kamala Harris has led the Biden administration's response. And now that she's the Democratic Party standard bearer, Harris has put abortion at the center of her campaign.
Today, Governor J.B. Pritzker signed into law 3 bills expanding abortion rights in Illinois, including care for out-of-state patients.
The pro-choice majority in this country need to be proactive.
With the presidential race heating up, Democrats are betting abortion will motivate women and independents. A Gallup poll from May found 54% of U.S. adults support abortion rights, compared to 41% of Americans who are anti-abortion rights. Democratic candidate Kamala Harris is going after Republican Donald Trump for appointing Supreme Court justices who voted to overturn Roe v. Wade.
As a result of his actions, today in America, 1 out of 3 women live in a state with a Trump abortion ban.
In her stump speech, Harris vows to work with Congress to restore the Roe protections.
We will pass a bill to restore reproductive freedom, and I will proudly sign it into law.
In the first presidential debate, when Joe Biden was still Democrats' candidate, former President Trump praised the overturning of Roe.
What happened is we brought it back to the states, and the country is now coming together on this issue. It's been a great thing.
Since 2022, 6 states have weighed in with constitutional amendments regarding abortion, and this November, 12 more states could add questions to their ballots.
Democrats are really hoping that access to reproductive health will be enough to motivate particularly women voters in suburbs to turn out for the Harris-Walz ticket.
With that in mind, Republicans have changed their party platform supporting national abortion restrictions in favor of a leave-it-to-states approach, angering some long-term conservative supporters. But Republicans continue to hit Democrats hard, painting their abortion position as extreme. Ray and Dina?
All right, Taman, thank you for that.